So I have my shoes. I hope you have your shoes too. So here's my pile. And I'm going to go ahead and get started with my glitter sparkly shoes, because who doesn't need some sparkle today, right? So looking at the glitter sparkle shoes, we're going to look at how many holes are in your shoes. So in this shoe itself, where we have the shoelaces, look, there's a hole right here. So 1 hole, 2 holes, 3 holes, and there's a 4th hole. But that means if I have it on this side, I also have it on this side. So that means I have double 4s, which is exactly 8. But there's another hole. Can you find it? You're right. It's the big one that your foot goes in, right? So really, this shoe has 9 holes. So my pair of shoes not only has 9 holes, but has 9 and 9 holes. Oh, that's double 9. Let's see what we can do with that later. So I'm going to put those over here. Check out my sandal. Take a second and think, how many holes does this sandal actually have? So we have the big one, this toe, and your other big toe hole. So that's 3. But if you look, here we have a hole for this nub. So we have 3. So that's 4. Then we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then the holes that come into play for the buckle. So 9, 10, 11. And I actually missed one here because there's this hole, but then there's also this hole. So there's 12 in just this sandal flip-flop. So start counting the holes. Here's my little screamer. Okay, so start counting the holes of your shoes and come back to me, okay? I'm going to be working on this tiny little thing. I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so we're back. So I told you I was working on this little tiny shoe. Now, it actually has, if you look up at the top, there is a set of 4 and a set of 3, which is 7. And then this one that his foot goes into. So we have 8 total in this shoe. Now, I wanted to bring this shoe up for discussion because we have these holes where the bottom laces go in. But look at the hooks. Do we count the hooks? Are the hooks holes? The laces go through them, but I don't think we should count them. So this boot has 4 on both sides and then 1 big one. So that makes it a big whopping 9 for the big boot. Okay, so collect all your numbers and we're going to do some math. Okay, so you're going to see that I put the numbers of the holes next to the shoes, so that way I was recording my thinking as I was doing it. So find an organizational system that works for you, and then we'll do some math with it. We'll see you in a bit.